Happy New Year, everyone! If you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Starting off the Bobbi Brown Skin Enricher. This feels so good on the skin and it smells like citrus. It just makes the perfect base. Then Estee Lauder Double Wear and this Huda Skin Tint. I did do a fake tan, so I'm a little bit tanner. I'm trying to match my face to my body. I do like to use my fingers to apply my foundation. I find that it just presses into the skin really nice. Sometimes I use a brush, sometimes I use a beauty blender, but this is just my preferred technique, especially when I'm in a rush. That's my good friend Danielle in the back. Just working the foundation into my hairline and down my neck. And doesn't she have the best smile? Next, we're going in with Natasha Denona High Glam Concealer. Sorry, the lighting is picking up because of her black outfit in the background, but this is the best concealer. If you have not tried it, I've already repurchased a second. It's so good. It just blends out perfectly. It does not crease. It's like medium to full coverage and it's buildable. Highly recommend if you have not tried it yet. And then of course my favorite, Laura Geller Baked and Brighten. This is in Sand. I use this as my overall setting powder and it's not drying. It's just like very light and gives me that perfect finish. I did extend these clips a little bit. I tried to not edit them down so much just so you can like see the full technique here. And then from there I did do my under eye with the Huda Peach Pie. I think I lost the clip where I show the product, but just know it's Huda Peach Pie, my fave. And this is the Pat McGrath Mothership palette. I thought it would just be perfect for New Year's Eve. I did get an invitation to this like exclusive event and I wanted a little glam on my eye. I do show my dress at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. But the party was really cool. I ended up leaving super early and I joined my friends and family at a huge bonfire on the Intercoastal. So I had a really good New Year's. So I'm taking this little pencil fluffy brush and placing the darkest pigment right on the outer V of my eye and tracing it along my lower lash line just to kind of lay that color down. And then I'm taking a fluffy brush and just blending that out. And I'll go back and forth a few times with like laying pigment down and blending to get the exact color payoff that I want. And then I'm going to go in with one of these shimmer shades and put that in my inner corner and just kind of press that around with my finger, and then I'll go in with a bronzy shade all over my lid. And again, just back and forth blending and laying pigment, blending and laying pigment. Oh, there's Violet, my little sugar bug. Isn't she so cute? My friend Danielle has a son who's a year older than her, and they were running around causing chaos. Okay, so now it's time for brows. I'm using the Morphe brow pencil and then the Beauty for Certain tubing brow mascara, which at first when I received it, it was white and I was kind of intimidated by this product, but after using it, it's really good. It just holds your brows in place and doesn't flake off. It doesn't leave a weird white cast. So I just kind of brush that on and then brush it through with the spoolie on the other end. And now my favorite, Natasha Denona, my bronzing palette. This really brings the look to life. It just kind of warms up my face. And again, I did extend these clips just so you could see how I do like my full bronzing routine. I usually always edit them down to like super short clips, but I thought it would be useful to include the whole bronzing method here. Again, I'm not a professional, but some people have commented that my videos have helped them or they enjoy watching them, so I thought I would just leave this in there. And then for blush, I did receive this in an Ipsy. I forget the name, I'll put it down below, but it's like this perfect cool tone pink, and it does not have any shimmer. It's just like a completely matte blush. And I'm really impressed with this product. I actually ordered it in another shade. So just adding a little life to my cheeks here. And then of course the Rare Beauty Cheek Illuminizer in Cheer. This is just such a phenomenal product. I literally can't say enough good things about it. I use it every single day and it's just the perfect amount of glow. And this I'm adding the Charlotte Tilbury finishing powder just in the areas where my pores are a little bit larger. And of course I'm going to finish with the Milani Make It Last setting spray and fan that down to dry. I always do my setting spray before my mascara, otherwise I get like little black dots of my mascara. And then this lip combo was perfect to last all night. It's the Maybelline Lip Vinyl in, I forget the name of this one, I'll link it down below, but I topped it off with the Makeup by Mario Plumping Lip Gloss in a very similar shade. I think it was the nude shade. So as my lip vinyl dries down, I'm just doing my mascara. First I do the Grande lash, and then on top of that I do the Bubble lash, which kind of took over. I was obsessed with the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal, and then I found this mascara and I absolutely love this one. So yeah, I'm really happy with how this look turned out. It's like a very soft glam for the new year. And the party I went to was just such a lovely event, and I met some really cool new people. And although I did leave the event early, I had such a great time and quickly changed into like sweats and went off to the bonfire to finish off the new year. If you guys like these videos, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.